Can you beat the all-you-can-eat buffet? Probably not. You see, buffets are designed for normal-sized humans who lose their money, so you will lose to the buffet. But will I lose to the buffet? I mean, I am as fat as a pig. Okay, I paid $30 for this buffet, and my goal is to eat more than $30 so I can beat the buffet. If I cannot do this, I will shave my head bald. Also, this is Advait who claims he can eat more food than me. So we are battling each other to see who eats more. 3, 2, 1. Beating the buffet gang. You really think you can out-eat me, bro?
I'll die before losing to you.
Over dramatic. And we even noted our weights beforehand. My strategy is to just eat the most expensive food. Food time. Well, I got prawns. You may ask, oh, why did you get prawns? You see, I went through the whole menu of this restaurant and found the most expensive food items. What did you get?
Just some tasty carbs.
Okay, these prawns are very dry. They tried filling us up with cheap carbs, but I will never fall for this. Ate over $5 worth of food. that's not a lot. After finishing the 9-piece prawns, I got the tandoori box for like $10. Eating this all was very hard, but we kept getting food. Next up, we got some chicken wings and got in a little trouble. I keep embarrassing myself. What should I do now? I just spill it all over. We ran out of normal forks. Should we just grab their fork? Can you grab one for me? So awkward. I do a theft. Wings are almost done. This all is left. Can we finish this, bro? This is harder than I thought. So much harder than I thought. More food. This is so spicy. You know, buffets are the #1 source of food waste all over the world.
That's sad.
Wings are almost done. After this, we have to go for a round 3, bro.
My lips are burning. This is so hot.
I cannot take this anymore, bro. I cannot wait for the dessert. And we just kept eating more and more food, bro. I am excited to see who eats more food, Advait or me. Comment down below whom you think will eat more food, Eribite or Advait. Round 2 was done, almost. We are like nearly $17 in. I think so. I think that's... Bro, the camera just fell. And it's time for the round 3 now. That's the main round. Are you ready for the round 3? We cannot take this anymore, bro.
Feeling full yet.
This buffet hasn't seen the best of me, alright? I'm gonna beat this, and I know it's gonna be very hard, but I'll do it. But before the main course, we eat dessert. Should we get one of these? One of these? No, I'll get 2 of these. I'll just get everything. I'm gonna win against the buffet. What the hell is this? I don't know, I'll just get it. Bro, I am so clumsy, I swear to God. This is awkward, but I'll get honestly everything. Except the fruits. Never eat your fruits, kid. So that says it's a jelly bean. This is not a jelly bean, bro. Kids never eat fruits. Always eat processed sugars. That's the only way to make your money's worth. We are ready. What is bro doing? Okay, while he's doing stuff to the jelly, let's taste test this. So this is a black ball. I have no other description for this. Round 3 has begun. This black ball tastes like tasty. It's a weird black ball. Then the red thingy. This is good. Bro, the balls are very slippery, by the way. Bro, I cannot take this anymore. It's getting very hard now. We have to eat like $10 more of food right now to make this worth it.
I'm already giving up. I swear. Eating is harder than working out.
They don't understand the pain of a fat guy, alright? But we have to push past our limits, bro. I know we can do this. We are the buffet champions. We will beat the buffet. Buffet champion. Say with me. Buffet champion. Wait, what did you say?
I'm full.
Bro, you cannot be full. We are on the round 3, bro. You are not losing on the round. Let's go. You cannot give up. Down never what? Bro, not only are you losing to the buffet, you are losing our challenge, right? Let's go. The only motivation I gave was for the lore. We got to beat the buffet. Say it with me, beat the buffet. Now my master plan was to grab food way over $10, put it all in one plate, end this challenge with grace. Bro,
This is gigantic.
this is my master plan to win against the buffet. This gigantic plate is worth over $10. And I am reviewing all the prices by the buffet's actual menu. So this is all fact checked. If we can finish this plate, we win against the buffet.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's a gigantic plate. No one can finish this, but we can. Bro, is out of spirit. Get the spoons out. This is the sword. This is the battlefield. Why are you attacking the easier stuff? I'm going for the hard stuff. We could have taken 2 different plates. But this is like what? Like 30 cents. We are turning this into one of those "Are you gay for your homie" videos. Dharman video. Fat gay Indian asks out his friend, what happens next? You won't believe it. Let's change the angle, chat. I cannot eat anymore. Oh, he's puking, bro. Shit. Not a. Are you okay? I think we need some water to gulp this down. What was that? That was the food has caused brain hemorrhage.
This could be very old.
Could be. This is a buffet. Buffets serve food for like 10-50 years probably.
I don't think they change it every day. My soul has left my body. I can't take it anymore.
One man down. Like I genuinely measured this whole plate by the menu prices, including the goat, the chicken, and the biryani, and this little cake. It's good though. I cannot take this anymore.
You wanna lose? You wanna lose?
No.
Do you wanna lose?
Bro. If I lose, I'll have to shave off my head. I'm not shaving off my head, obviously. Bro, what if I add water to that drink and then make a new drink?
It's pretty embarrassing.
Are you embarrassed by your brothers? Are you embarrassed by your friends if they do something embarrassing? I mean, no one's looking, hopefully. I should stick to eating this. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a little walk. I cannot even look at food anymore. Let's go. Ugh. Guys, also subscribe. Why is no one subscribing? Subscribe. Also, guys, give us some like more ideas for the Fat Guy Try series. The channel belongs to the bites. The channel belongs to you and me. All right.
What about me?
Like, I mean, like you, me, him. Every bite out there. The channel belongs to the bites. We'll make the ideas you want us to make. All right.
I feel sleepy.
Bro. They are trying to ruin our video. Ruin our video, huh? Ruin our video. They are trying to ruin our video. I will shout. I hope my pure hatred. Imagine they kick us out for this.
I feel like I will vomit. This is too much.
I have to eat this. You are vomiting by looking at it. Okay, the waiter just asked if he can stop serving the main course now. We only have like 15 minutes left before they close the lunch buffet. We have to do it very fast now.
You have to do it.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up. I feel like you're gonna puke. Are you okay? Are you okay?
We have like 5 minutes left before they close down the buffet, and like 1 piece of chicken, a little bit of rice, and this little piece of cake, and we win against the buffet. Last piece of chicken. Bite 1. We've done it. Let's go, we've done it. We beat the buffet. I also eat more food than 101. That's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Do the thing like watch this video here. Like this video, like here. This video here.
Why is life so scary? Well, back in elementary, my teachers used to threaten me, say they'd bury me in a cemetery.